Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best packet option promo codes in 2024. So in order to do that, you'll have to open your web browser and go to Google and search for pocket option promo codes. So right here, we should be able to find this website, which is retrieve.com. And we're going to this website right here. So as you can see, we have a list with a bunch of different types of promo codes and deals that we can use. These two right here at the top of the page are two promo codes that has had been used by other shoppers before, and they are working hard 100%. So if you want to use a promo code that it's working for sure, you can choose from one of these two right here. But you can also scroll through these options, and if you want to get, let's say, this offer right here, you can select the just let me go back to that page. You can select, let's say, this one right here and select the copy code option. And as you can see, the discount code has been copied and we can apply that to our purchase and we can get the discount. So you can go back to the main Google search right here and you can scroll until you find this couponchief.com website, which also offers us different type of discount codes. So right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with 60% of the entire purchase, you can select the option get promo code and you can copy that code right here and use it on your purchase in order to get that discount. So be careful that some of these promo codes can be expired, and this is showed right here. So if you are going to use this one, it's not going to work. Just go back to the website and search through all these options right here and select the best one for you. As you can see, these are the expired coupons, but at the top of the page, you can see the one available for today. And you can use one of these. So, for example, if you want to get to maximize your returns, you can use this promo code. You can copy that and add it to your purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.